What's something people don't know about getting a free flight upgrade? Welcome to Curious Minds. Let's dive in. All right, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're going to uncover some of the best-kept secrets in the travel world. Imagine this. You're at the airport, ready for a long flight, and suddenly, you're upgraded to first class without spending an extra penny. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Stick around, and I'll show you how to make it happen. Imagine cruising in first class without paying a dime extra. Picture yourself reclining in those plush seats, sipping on complimentary champagne and enjoying gourmet meals. The legroom, the service, the sheer luxury of it all. It's like a dream come true for any traveler. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that this dream could become your reality? Yes, you heard that right. With a few strategic moves, you can increase your chances of getting that coveted upgrade. Well, today, I'm spilling the beans on how you can get a free flight upgrade every time you travel. These tips aren't just for frequent flyers, they're for anyone who loves to travel and wants to do it in style. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the struggle. We all know that air travel can be stressful. From the long lines at security to the cramped seats in economy class, it's no wonder so many people dread flying. But what if you could bypass all that stress and enjoy a more comfortable journey? High costs, limited seats, and the constant game of chance. These are the hurdles we face when trying to get an upgrade. But don't worry, because I'm here to help you navigate through these challenges. It's no wonder so many give up. The process can be disheartening, but with the right approach, you can turn the odds in your favor. But here's the thing, you don't need luck, just a few smart moves. Step 1. Loyalty programs. These programs are designed to reward frequent flyers, and they can be your ticket to an upgrade. Airlines love loyal customers. Rack up those miles and points, baby. The more you fly with a particular airline, the more likely you are to be rewarded with an upgrade. So, sign up for those loyalty programs and start collecting points. Step 2. Timing is everything. When it comes to getting an upgrade, timing can make all the difference. Check in as soon as you can. The earlier you check in, the better your chances of snagging an upgrade. Many airlines offer upgrades on a first-come, first-served basis, so be sure to check in as early as possible. Early birds catch the upgrades. If you can, try to be one of the first passengers to check in. This can significantly increase your chances of getting that upgrade. Step 3. Dress to impress. Believe it or not, your appearance can play a role in whether or not you get an upgrade. Seriously, looking sharp can make a difference. Airlines are more likely to upgrade passengers who look the part. So, ditch the sweatpants and opt for something a bit more polished. And now, for the ultimate hack building a rapport with airline staff. This is perhaps the most underrated tip, but it can be incredibly effective. Build a rapport with airline staff. Be friendly, polite, and courteous. A little kindness can go a long way, and you never know when it might pay off. Be friendly, polite, and who knows? That smile could land you in first class. Airline staff have the power to upgrade passengers, and they're more likely to do so for someone who has made a positive impression. To wrap it up, remember these hacks: loyalty programs, early check-in, stylish attire, and friendly staff relations. These tips can significantly increase your chances of getting a free upgrade. Try them on your next flight and watch the magic happen. You'll be amazed at how effective these strategies can be. Got your own upgrade tips? We'd love to hear them. Sharing is caring, and your tips could help fellow travelers. Drop them in the comments. Let's create a community of savvy travelers who know how to make the most of their journeys. And don't forget to check out our next videos for more travel hacks. Happy flying! Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your travel experiences even better. Safe travels, everyone!